In this video, I will show you how to add an email signature in Zoho Desk. First, log into your Zoho Desk account. Then, at the top right corner, click on the settings icon. This will bring you to your main settings board, where you can manage and customize different parts of your workspace. Once you're inside, scroll all the way down until you find Preferences and click on it. In this section, you can modify general configurations such as email templates, language, and most importantly, your email signature. Now, scroll down again until you see the signature section. Click on Add Signature. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to create your custom email signature. You can include your name, position, company details, or even your logo for a more professional touch. After you finish customizing your signature, simply click Save. The system will automatically apply your new signature to all outgoing emails from your Zoho Desk account. And that's how to add a custom email signature in Zoho Desk.